On or about June 29, 2012, as one of the member of ASTAP Security Force located at number 233 Mabini Street, Poblacion South, Science City of Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. You are assigned to performing your security profession at Alpha Company. The officer in charge of this post is SG-1 Santa Cruz. Your place of duty is second floor of Alpha Company with business address at NR 3040 De Los Santos Street, Science City of Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. Your time of duty is from 1900 hour to 0700 hour. While rendering your security duty at about 21:30 hour, a call from murmuring voice of unknown Muslim dialect person called your officers informing you that the bomb will explode within 30 minutes. During your conservation, you learned from the caller that he is a trained bomb expert and you heard animal noises on the telephone. That the planted the bomb Abens is cousin, who was previously terminated from the company for unknown reason. According to him, he is older than you. The bomb was two fuse, one cell phone 3310, motherboard with battery attached to it, one ammo of a 12-gauge shotgun, and a two spaghetti wire black and red. That he is holding ignition key to explode it, and he placed the bomb inside. That he has two children at the age of 25 and 14. The caller cut off the line after 30 minutes of call. Being the duty guard on that day, what will you do?